Hi everyone, my name's Molly. I'm back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys all about my homemade body butter called Coco Shine. I'm going to tell you how to apply it, how to store it, everything about it. And please stay tuned till the very end of the video because I'm actually giving away 5 really generous containers of my body butter. It's not any little dinky samples. So if you want to apply for that giveaway, please keep watching to the very end. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the container looks like now. It looks as such. I put the label Coco Shine by Molly with some beautiful stars, and I even put all of the ingredients on the bottom because I know a lot of people I guess not the word love, but a lot of people like to know what they put in their bodies, meaning on their skin, because the skin is the largest organ in your body, and anything you put on your skin absorbs the fastest right into your bloodstream. So that's why I put the ingredients on the bottom. And also another reason why it is so good is because it's all made with natural ingredients, all organic. They're really expensive from the health food store. They were all made in my kitchen with love. And it smells so bomb. It smells divine as hell. Like, if you receive one of these from the giveaway, you are going to open the container, smell it, and just be blown away by how amazing the smell is. It's so good. So I'm pretty happy with the labels. I might change the labels in the future, but I just figure because this is a giveaway, it's fine. It's fine. So it looks like that. This is my version. I'm going to show you how to apply it on the skin. The best time to apply it would be right after your shower. When you get out of the shower, your body is still a little bit wet. So I would start from your feet up all the way to your head. And honestly, because it is very dense with nutrients, like delicate, maybe that's the word, you literally only need like this much on your finger, like not a lot. And you just start from the bottom, and you have to do circular motions. That's what I would recommend, because you really like want to get it into your skin and rub it in. You can't just slap it on there and just like hope it absorbs, because it might just leave a little bit of residue. And I did not make some greasy ass product, okay? This is like all really expensive ingredients, and I wanted the best of the best. I don't make some dinky stuff. So that's how you would apply it. You would go all the way up. So for example, why I have this one here, just to show you guys when applying, literally, like, you can just use one finger and then, or just take like, like a hand like that, and then see this, I could literally apply this to my whole arm, even some of my chest. But yeah, you just go like this, and it naturally gives a beautiful, healthy glow that, like, who wouldn't want this like on their skin? And literally, if I didn't have this, I would rub it all the way up and just keep doing the circular motions, and there, it just glistens. It's also, I did the men's version. If you guys haven't seen my DIY Coco Shine video, I'm gonna link it in the description box, but this is actually a different body butter. I did the ratios different for this body butter, for this Coco Shine version, and it's just gonna be nice for the people who win the prize, I can get some feedback, see how people love it. But personally, from this one to my other previous one in my DIY Coco Shine body butter video, this has been like better in my opinion. The other one is still amazing. They're both amazing, but this one is a little bit better because it's like less of a residue on your skin. Yeah, and also for women, whenever you're applying on your chest, I would say like after you get out of the shower, put your hair up in a towel, or if you have a towel wrap, because I have one of those for my head, put that on and then put it on your chest, and then, excuse me, just keep rubbing like I said, and then eventually like it will kind of sink in your skin, and you'll be Gucci after that. You just, you know, take your hair out, whatever, it'll be fine. Your hair won't get stuck in it. And another thing I want to mention is with the cacao butter in it, it's a natural SPF 8, so it is amazing for summertime too. I know in Canada we are getting into the fall now, but anyone who lives in hotter climates, if you receive this as the giveaway, it's perfect to apply even just before. You don't have to apply it when you're wet. You can apply it whenever you want. I just find it's a little bit faster and better whenever there's a little bit of wetness on your body. But even if you just go before the sun, apply it on your skin, and it'll be a natural SPF 8 of sunscreen. And also I find when I was using it throughout the summer, it actually felt like I was getting more tan from the body butter. I guess just the natural ingredients of it. So that is very good. Now on how to store it. It does get a little bit softer. It doesn't turn into oil, but it definitely gets softer whenever it's, sorry, whenever it is in a hotter climate of some place, because in the summertime it was very soft. But everyone in Canada, now that it is fall time, I just keep it in my beauty room, bedroom, whatever. Just leave it in there. Do not store it in the washroom because it gets too hot. But now it's fine. It just is literally like a body butter. There's something caught in my throat. And for the people who are in hotter climates, just put it in your fridge, I guess, if you're worried about it being soft, but honestly, it's not even that bad. So that's what I would recommend for that. So yeah, look. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the camera between my arms, but I see a difference. I think you should now sign up for my giveaway and see if you win a Coco Shine body butter container. So these are the rules for the giveaway. There is 5 containers that look like this, that have not been opened, made with love from me. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video on any one of your social media platforms, and comment something you are grateful for in your life, and tag a friend and give them a compliment. So thank you very much for watching my video. I'm very excited to see who will win these products, because I'm very excited to get some feedback on how you guys like it. Thank you again for your time and watching me. I know everyone's got busy lives, so I will see you on the next video. And I also just wanted to mention why I haven't posted anything in 2 weeks. I was also very, very sick. I apologize, because you know, whenever I take on a project, I like to take it seriously and have things, you know, consistent. So from now on, I'm gonna have 2 videos a week. I'll just come in for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys and this new journey I am embarking. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.